welcome back to my channel. It's Cheryl here today. I'm here today with the Dollar Tree haul. Found a couple of things. Not much new, you know my store. But even so, welcome back. And if you're new, welcome. I hope you stick around to see what I do around the house. And if you want to see what I got on this trip, I'll be right back. Okay, I'm back. I don't remember what I bought. I think I got this stuff a couple of days ago and I just put it in my closet. So it's not any particular order. I'm just going to pull it out and show you. This is Utz, the crab chips. The potato chips with Chesapeake Bay crab seasoning. It's 2.875 ounces. So pick that up for a snack. And it says it's gluten-free. Then, so this is another snack. This is, let's see, this is 3 ounces brims. The pork rinds. Nothing on it. It's plain. And then I saw this, and this is probably left over from somewhere else at Christmas time, but it's pretzel crisps by Snack Factory. It's dark chocolate and peppermint. It's 4 ounces. So I got a bag of that. I've had that before and it's really good. So if you see it and you want a sweet and salty snack, that would be a good one for you. I saw these, somebody else, this is new to me, had hauled this. It's Simply Asia. It's Japanese style udon noodles and it is 14 ounce. It's supposed to be, you could put chicken, vegetables, and stock, no MSG. And on the back, they show kind of like a soup type dish. So, you know, if you had some vegetables you could throw in there with some chicken broth and a little bit of pieces of chicken, that'd probably make a good soup. So I might try it. The next thing, like I said, I don't remember everything that I picked up, so some of it's probably repeats. Oh yeah, I did pick up, y'all have seen these before. This is the Juicy Juice apple, orange, and fruit punch. This is the 4.23 ounces. So I think I got just 1 orange, 2 apples. These are good for lunch. And, 2 apples and, well, which one is this one? Yeah, this is the fruit punch, and this is the apple. So I got those. So those can go in the pantry. I picked up these wall art jumbo stickers. You know, I keep saying I'm going to redo my closet. I don't know when I'm going to get to it, but maybe on a cold or rainy day. Not that I'm doing much outside either, but, you know, I have to be in the mood to clean my closet up. But anyway, I thought these were really pretty. I'd seen them before and I didn't pick them up, so I got them this time. And, let's see, this one has like little yellow flowers on it. You know, on the back there's 3 more, and this one has the pink. So, I'll find a place somewhere in my closet for those. And then, because Valentine's Day is coming up, I looked around for some cards for my grandson to take to school, and I thought, I saw these and they were different. It's 32 count. It's Funny Punny Sticker Valentines. So, hopefully that will work. So I thought those were cute. And I had made some penne a couple weeks ago, and they liked it and asked me to make it again. That was just making something I had from around the house, scraps, and they liked it. If I was trying to make it, it wouldn't have turned out, but I'll try to recreate it. So I picked up this box. I thought this was a good deal for £1. And then I picked up this is an over-the-door hook. I got this for my son's room, so he can hang up coats or towels or whatever. trifling like that. Sometimes just throw stuff on the floor, it burns me up. Okay, enough about him. But then related back to food-wise, I picked up another one of these 15-ounce Progresso breadcrumbs. This is the Italian style. This is good for $1 because this usually runs more, or at least over $1, I know, at Walmart. Let's see. I got a couple of personal items. I picked up some toothpaste. I got the Colgate Cavity Protection, and it says this is 5 ounces. It's 25% free cavity protection. I thought that was good for $1, so I got that one. Then they had the Crest 3D White, over 1.5 times more free. So I'm going to be trying that, see if that works, the 3D. And then, I've never bought this before. I thought I'd try it. I may not even use it, but anyway. I want to see what it smells like. Let me see. I don't want to spray it on my hand. Well, I might. Anyway, y'all, I got me some booty spray. Oh, God. Okay, I got one more bag over here. I think I got another bag somewhere, but I didn't see it in my closet. I done hid it from myself. Y'all probably wonder, how big is your closet? It's a good size. I can walk in there. But anyway, I saw this. I only got one. I was going to get two, but then I thought, I have not seen these anywhere else before, so I don't know how hard it would be to find the refills. But if I did, the refills would probably be more than the thing. But anyway, I'm going to put my glasses on for this one so I can see. Okay, this is Great Scents Crisp Linen Push and Spray Dispenser and Refill. And I thought this was really cute. I'm going to put this in my closet, I think. I'm not sure yet where I'm going to put it. But you just open a little dispenser and put this in there, kind of like the big ones, and just push it when you want. This might be good next to the toilet or something, but I'm not sure about the back side as far as if it's going to stick to the wall or anything like that. But anyway, it says do not expose to heat or store at temperatures above 120. Store in a cool, dry place. Do not place near below electrical outlets and switches. So that's good to know. And do not use in small confined pet areas. So I don't know if that means I can't use it in my closet, but nobody goes in there but me. And then I just picked this up just in case I ran out for emergency. This is the Gain, and this is the 10 fluid ounces. So got that one, and the last thing I got, which I still think I have another bag somewhere. This is the 10 and 7, wait a minute, y'all. 10.75 fluid ounces, 4-time cleaning action, lemon fresh. This makes over 5 gallons. This is the Pine Sol. This smells really good. I like this one. I got the other one for like the toilet and stuff. But this one is good for your floors. Makes your floors and your kitchen smell nice and clean. Now the regular Pine Sol, what I do with that in the spring and summer, I put it in a spray bottle and I spray it around my patio and around the table and everything, and it keeps flies away. So that's good for flies. So that's the tip for today. So if you like this video, don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and remember, peace and chicken grease. I see y'all on the next one. Bye.